Let us move on to the problem number 1 under the tangent plane to the cone, girls. So before moving on to the tangent plane to the cone, let us just revise what is an equation of a tangent plane to the cone. Ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2g zx plus 2hxy equals to 0. I told you how will you remember the tangent plane to the cone at the point alpha, beta, gamma. So you're going to write down as A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, and then you're going to write down F, G, H. I'll tell you how to remember it. So always remember that tangent is an equation which will have the coefficient of x, y, and z. So first I'm writing down the coefficient of x. As soon as x come, A alpha, you'll do it. And then cross multiply, hide this term and cross multiply the rest of the term, leaving the first top and this. So it's going to be h beta plus g gamma plus h beta plus g gamma. Similarly, now coefficient of y would become immediately b beta, and then I'm going to hide this. So it is going to be what? H alpha plus F gamma. Then Z is what? Immediately C gamma, looking at this. Then I'm going to hide this one. It's going to be what? G alpha plus F beta. So I'll have to just remember this form: A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, F, G, H. Now, if suppose I want to construct an equation for tangent plane through the dRs of the generator LMN, so this alpha, beta, gamma would be replaced with LMN. I'm going to use the same procedure. That means in the place of alpha, replace with L, place of beta, M, and place of gamma, N. So it's going to be the same thing: X into AL plus HM plus GN plus y into Bm plus HL plus Fn plus z into what is it? Cn plus GL plus Fm equals to 0. This is the equation of a tangent plane whenever the cone is given to me and the point of contact is given to me. What will be an equation of a tangent plane if the cone is mentioned and the dRs LMN is mentioned? So let us move on to the problem number 1. So the problem number 1 states that find the plane which touches the cone along the generators whose dRs are 1, 1, 1. So in this case, would you have a cone and have a dr? So I can construct the equation of a tangent plane using this particular equation. So what is he trying to tell is that I have a cone and these are the generators. This is the plane which touches the cone. It is touching the cone along the generators. That means it is touching the cone at the generator of the cone. So basically any plane is touching the cone or a sphere or anything, it is known as what? Tangent plane. So basically I'm finding out the equation of a tangent plane. So here cone is mentioned and the dRs is mentioned. So immediately I'll go and start constructing my equation of a tangent plane. So I have to write down this formula, plug in LMN ABC. So LMN is here, ABC, FGH. I'm going to get it from the equation of the cone. Plug in, I'm going to get the answer. So I'm going to first write down what all is given to me under the solution. So given is given cone. What is the cone? X square plus 2y square minus 3z square plus 2yz minus 5zx plus 3xy equals to 0. Because I know from the formula I need to pick up ABC and FGH, immediately I'm going to keep this equation as in equation number 1, and I'm going to write down, compare your equation 1 with, compare equation 1 with ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2g zx plus 2hxy equals to 0. If I'm going to compare, so I need ABC, FGH. So if I'm going to compare here, so compare the coefficient of x square a becomes 1. Compare the coefficient of y square, b becomes 2. Compare the coefficient of z square, c becomes minus 3. Now I have to compare the coefficient of 2fyz and 2yz over here, both of them. If I'm going to see, the value of f happens to be 1. Then g, seagulls, 2g zx, and I have minus 5 zx. If you see, 2 is missing. When I'm comparing, girls, both the equations should look alike. So 2 is missing. So what I'm going to do is that because 2 is missing, I'm going to multiply with 2 and I'm going to divide it by 2. After multiplying and dividing by 2, now I can compare. So I'm comparing 2 to zz xx. What is the value of g? Minus 5 by 2. Similarly, 2hxy, and what do I have in the place of that? 3xy. Comparing, 2 is missing, so multiply and divide it by 2, and then pick up the value of h, 2xy, so h happens to be 3 by 2. Given drs are what? So drs are always going to act as L, M, and n. I know that the equation of the tangent plane through the drs is given by, let the equation of tangent plane through the drs 1, 1, 1 b. I'll just write down the formula: x into al plus hm plus gn plus y into bm plus hl plus fn plus z into cn plus gl plus fm equals to 0. I'll start substituting here. X, al is 1, bm is 2, and then cn is minus, sorry, al, bm, sorry, this is hm, girls, I'm so sorry, this is hm, bl, hm is 3 by 2 plus gn minus 5 by 2 plus y bm, bm2, hl 3 by 2, fn 1 plus z cn minus 3, gl minus 5 by 2, fm 1. So if I'm going to solve this, girls, this is going to become minus 2 by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, this would be 0. This is 2, 4, this is going to be 2, taken LCM, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This again will become 9, 6, 2. 11 plus 2 is going to become 9. So I'm going to get what? 9 by 2y minus 9 by 2z. Implies, I can write down this as 9 by 2y equals to 9 by 2z. Therefore, the equation of the plane through the drs (1, 1, 1) is y equals to z, or you can write down as y minus z equals to 0.